Good afternoon, my name is Cristina Diaz. We're going to talk about space exploration. Question number 1. Exploration. Is space an important frontier for human exploration inspiration?
I think that depends on the context because, for example, people specialists in this area, in this topic, they need to know much about this topic. For example, people like I or you, we don't know really much about the space, and for this reason, I consider it that this depends of the context. In the academic context, this is for more. This have more value.
Thank you. Question number 2. Science. Does space exploration benefit science human understanding?
I say in the before question. In the context of the scientists or explorators, I consider that this is very important, and it helps to the understanding about the space or things in the universe. Yeah, in this context is very good, but in a civil context, and I consider it that no, but the space exploration have much knows about how is the space, the universe, how is the planets, the other composed, the physical roles in the space, how function this. Yeah, it's important.
Question number 3. Funding. Should space exploration be publicly funded?
With taxes, really? I consider it. I'm not sure, but because much people don't like this idea to explore the space. Much people consider it that these public funds can be used to other things. Today, for example, we have this problem to the coronavirus, this pandemic problem, and much people saying, okay, this problem is first. We need these funds to combat against this pandemic problem. The space is other cause, and for this reason, I consider that the public funds can be used to other things more important than this.
Question number 4. Planet. Does the human race need to be able to move to another planet?
With the pass of the time, is consequence because in the future we raise build more instruments, more scientific instruments, better vehicles to go for space, and we colonized other planets. Depend of the planet. For example, in the case of Mars, scientists talk about much about Mars. This planet can be too colonized by humans, and much consider it that no, because the atmosphere and the air no is compatible with the life. Okay, and if one day the humans found a planet like our Earth, like our planet, can be moved to this, but to this sources have to pass much time, very much time, and financially this can be a good financial or the bad financial, because this is not determined.
Question number 5. Mars. Are missions to Mars important worth funding?
The other day I read that missions to Mars start today. Now is starting. Elon Musk planning to send much vehicles, spatial vehicles to the space, to Mars specifically, and this is a fact today. It's a fact. Make with funds, I consider that no, because if empire, private empire like the empire of Elon Musk planning to go to the space, no, is necessary waste this fund, okay? Because this empire financial these travelers to space.
Thank you. Question number 6. Robots. Should people be flown to space instead of robots?
Today our technology don't. It's impossible today. For our technology is very low. It's very low. But in the future is a good idea because robots have much resistance and are more efficiently like humans. Yeah, it's so.
Yes. Question number 7. International relations. Is sending humans to space good for international relations?
No. In the 90s, yeah, when still existed the Soviet Union, USA and the Soviets fight no in war, in real war with guns or shots, no, in economic war, in technological war. This is now like a freezing war. In Spanish is la Guerra Fría. Why I say that no is good for the international relations? Because if, for example, USA send other people, send people to other planets, China or Russia say, oh, if he can to make, we are make this, okay, we are make this, but we can make together, and this was like a war, like a new freezing war, special raising, and for this reason, no, I consider that no, it's impossible to. These are good for the international relationship because the other countries fight against one by one to win this race.
Yes. Question number 8. Tax players. Should opponents of a space exploration still be required to contribute?
No. For example, I am not agree with something law, and if one politic say me, you must to pay for this proposition, and I say, but I am no agree with this. Why I should to pay? Why I must to pay? But in this case is the same thing. People to are opponents of this paradigm say this exactly thing, and for this reason is no is good for he saying you must to pay. Why I am, this is the law. No, this is not the war, and this is all. I think that I not consider it more to respect of this point.
Yes. Thank you so much. And finally,
Okay, thank you.